Lake Barrington Shores is a gated, maintenance-free community in Lake Barrington consisting of 1,317 attached homes across an extensive variety of home models. What is remarkable is that may sound like a lot of homes, but it doesn't feel like it at all because of its winding roads, its cul-de-sacs, its rolling landscaping, waterfalls, and so much more. It's more of like a paradise where you feel like you're on vacation all year round. My name is John Herman of Property Up, and I look forward to assisting you in both buying and selling your home in Lake Barrington Shores. Built in a little over 20-year span, the home sizes in Lake Barrington Shores, or commonly known as LBS, range from about 933 to 4,600 square feet with many different model options to choose from. The community sits on 510 acres, and the centerpiece is a private 96-acre lake called Lake Barrington. Our residents here can enjoy fishing, boating, sailing, swimming, wonderful sandy beaches where you can have a grill out. If you are having a get-together at the beach, you can rent a pontoon boat, you can watch the sailing races, kayaks are there, sunfish sailboats, rowboats, paddle boats, and canoes. You can enjoy the 3-mile walking path around the lake, which goes through 36 acres of forest preserve. The fun doesn't stop there at all, not even close. There are 8 tennis courts to choose from with platform, clay, and asphalt options. Lake Barrington Shores Golf Club, a recreational center, indoor and outdoor pools, a fitness center, and so much more are also available. As far as shopping is concerned, shopping opportunities are abundant. Located near Rand Road and Route 22, you are minutes away from such stores as Trader Joe's, Costco, Walmart, Kohl's, TJ Maxx, Home Depot, Binny's, Lifetime Fitness, many restaurants. Now, Good Shepherd Hospital is about 8 minutes away, and the Metro train is about 10 minutes away. And you can get into the city in about 35 minutes on an express. Some of the fun and entertaining clubs found in LBS are the following. Get ready: bocce ball, book club, bridge, hand and foot, tai chi, mahjong, music club, needlepoint, pickleball, photo club, sailing association, short stories, social club, shuffleboard, tennis association, the Veterans of Lake Barrington Shores, water aerobics, yoga, garage sale events, indoor and outdoor pools for swimming, fishing, blood drives, book fairs, private fitness center, holiday arts and gift shows, its own newsletter, a banquet hall, sailing races, golf clubs, and Thursday night bingo. This is not including trivia night, 4th of July, concerts, and just so many more activities. A recent LBS survey conducted shows 88% of the average households within LBS has 2 or less people. Also, 60% of the owners are retired, and the rest of the workforce is either full-time or part-time. 95% of the owners do not have children, and most of the people living there say they live there because of the beautiful surroundings, the activities, the environment, and the location, the low maintenance, the friendly people, and it being a gated community. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and feel free to subscribe to see more videos like this one, and reach out to me if you have any more questions, or you can also comment below if you are considering selling or moving into this amazing place called Lake Barrington Shores, or paradise as I like to call it. I would be more than happy to assist you again. My name is John Herman of Property Up, and remember, make it a great day.